How to refill T-Mobile Prepaid online. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top you will see the search box. Type in T-Mobile Login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and open this one, the very first one. After you open it, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily type in your account's credentials and log into your account. So go ahead and type in your email, phone number or username. After you type in, click on next, and in the next page you will need to type in the password and then click on done. Just for that you will be logged into your account. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once logged in, head to the prepaid section. Enter your T-Mobile prepaid phone number accurately. Select the refill amount that suits your need. Choose your preferred payment method, whether it's credit or debit card. Review all the information you have entered and confirm the transaction. Once everything looks good, complete the transaction. You may need to go through additional security steps. Then you can complete the transaction. After the transaction is successful, you will receive a confirmation message or email. Optionally, you can check your prepaid balance to ensure that the refill went through correctly. And there you have it. You have successfully refilled your T-Mobile prepaid balance online. So this way you can easily refill T-Mobile prepaid online. I hope you guys are clear about how to refill T-Mobile prepaid online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.